Hi guys, how are you all? So I'm here today to talk about how to trade on budget and share with you all some ideas that I have in mind for the trading session tomorrow. Let me share my screen now and let me discuss. So this is the charts of Nifty. I'm now purely talking about what will happen tomorrow and how we can go about it. I'm just trying to look at what is happening in the US markets currently so that I know where the market is opening. I think US markets are trading in red right now. It's approximately 8:45 p.m. in India. I'm in the UK, so my time zone is different. My computer is set as the Indian time. So yeah, we are in this range and we might be opening negative tomorrow. Negative, and I have some levels marked. So I believe until and unless we are in this range, the levels like under this levels, we might continue to go sideways here. For example, if we open gap down tomorrow and we sell off till here and we don't break below this, I guess we will have again a bounce from here. That's how mostly budget days are. They are pretty volatile. So according to my back test, you can also go and back test. Most of the budget days tend to expire sideways, but what happens is there is volatility on both the sides. So for example, the markets might shoot up and then sell off, um, and then again come up and close near the open. So this is one of the view that we might open gap down, markets might go down and take support here at this support and again bounce up. Or if we break below this, I've drawn one second, I'll just show you. If we break below this level of 21,466, we might see this levels of 21,200 approximately, just a round number. So let's mark 21,200. However, if we open gap down and then there is a rally because of the positive sentiments that India is going to present a really good budget, we might uh, we might again see some resistances here at this uh, downward sloping resistance. If we break above, this is our first target 21,800, then we might head to this 21,850, and finally if we are breaking above this, we would be likely seeing targets of 22,100 approximately. That's all time high. And yeah, so this is all the view that I have for the budget. uh, so how can one play this budget? So for example, whatever direction you are playing, I've given you the levels and how the things might go. Just be quick in taking profits in option buying. For example, if you get two big red candles or two big green candles um in your direction, if you have taken a trade for, let's say, going long and there are two big green candles, just quickly book the profits and get out. Don't wait for the levels to be broken, because what happens is during budget days, the normal technical analysis generally do not work at all. The volatility is so high that there might be an instance that you are up 10,000 rupees, and there might be another instance in like 1 minute from there you might be down 10,000 rupees. So quickly book your profits. If you are trading budget tomorrow, you need to be really a good trader to trade budget. Don't take undue risk. Protect your capital. So you can, what you can do is reduce your norm position sizing from normally what you use, because due to the high movements or the very volatile movements, we'll be getting the same amount of profits with the small amount of quantities as well. Plus our risk holding capacity will increase. For example, if you are having 10 points of stop loss with two lots, it might take it might be lesser in value than the than 10 points of stop loss with five lots. By this I mean is, for the on the day of expiry, the volatility is so high that 10 point is nothing. So what you can do is, so rather than having 10 points of stop loss with five lots, you can rather go with 30 or 20 points of stop loss with two lots. So you can increase your stop losses, so your trade has some room to work in your direction and you're not kicked out of the trade before the market starts working in your direction. And this is how you will play the expiry tomorrow. Expiry, it is also an expiry of Nifty, plus it is an budget day. So I would suggest that you can stay away from Nifty and try not to trade in Nifty. Or if you're trading Nifty, don't use tomorrow's expiry. For example, don't trade in 1st Feb weekly expiry. You rather choose next expiry. I think that's 7th of Feb or 8th of Feb. Or you can directly trade into Bank Nifty for the next weekly expiry. And one of the trade ideas for non-directional and a good what do you say, if you want to earn good money with a very low risk and low premium, you have seen that people ideally make long straddles and strangles. I'm not suggesting you to do that. I have a strategy in mind. I think this is a long iron fly. So I've made this for you. So what I'm going to do is tomorrow I'm going to use this strategy. The lots I might change the lots. I might take 40, 50 lots, but the lots will be equal for every leg. And you can use this strategy. For example, if the market is volatile, how do it's playing this is also very tricky. It's not like you don't have to do anything. For example, if the market goes on the upward side, it reaches about 47,000 or let's say 46,500, you will be getting 17,000 profit with 20 lots. This the strategy that I've made. So you have to quickly book it. If the two candles in are your position, you have to book all the legs. Book all the legs and exit. That's your day end ideally. One trade again, you book it, you book all the legs. You won't be booking the profitable ones and keep the loss making ones on. Or if the rally comes on the down direction, if you rally towards 45,000, we are currently at 46,000. If you rally towards 45,000 and you reach the important points, for example, let's discuss some key levels in Bank Nifty. So I'll just show you a daily chart of Bank Nifty. I believe that uh, this support zone which is coming from like lows of 2020 is really very important. So this shouldn't break. We are above this for now, like we are almost 2000 3000 point 2000 point above this, so no need to worry for now, but keep a watch on this. But for now, let's talk about the intraday levels for Bank Nifty. If we rally towards this level, that's 46,500, I would want the strategy that I showed you on Opstra. I would want you all to square off every legs. If you rally till here, and if this gets broken down, you might see this. But what I'm trying to say is that there might be counter movements. You never know that you will reach here halfway and then there will be a sudden fall. So keep booking profit. So for example, you deploy this strategy in the morning. So this strategy I'm telling you guys to like execute in the morning around 9:20 and continue to hold it until and unless you don't get a, what do you say, you don't get a movement at your side. So if the move comes till here, quickly book all the legs and get out of the trade. For This is for the beginners. You can do this because this is a very low risk strategy. For example, if the market does nothing and stays here, we might not be losing a lot of money here. There we might be losing one maybe half a 1% or half a percent in this trade if the market stays right there, but we might earn good money if it moves in our direction. So like 2-3% can be earned easily if you are timely booking the profit. So two big candles in your direction, book it and leave, just leave. Or two, or if for example we sell off till here, that is 45,000 approx till here. Let's see if the breakout open of today was this, so 45,500, just book it and leave. So I hope you are getting my strategy for tomorrow, and I hope you all do very well. One of the tweaks in the strategy for advanced people is that, for example, if we run till here and we have earned some money there, so you square off all the legs, and then what you do is, for example, if you go till 46,500, then what you do is, you after squaring off all the legs, you will buy one call and one put of 46,500 and leave it open for the day. And again, if you get, for example, some movements in your direction or in opposite of your direction, you will book both the legs. For example, one leg, for example, if you have bought 46,500 call put here after the market comes here, and after booking all the four legs, and if the market again gives a counter, what do you say, down move from here, your puts will make more money than the calls, then your calls are losing. So you'll book both the legs and you will completely exit it, and don't repeat this after this. So just 2 entries and 2 exits for tomorrow. Yeah, that's all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope everyone does well. Also, listen to the commentary what Nirmala Sita Raman is saying. It is very important to listen to her as well. Keep a watch on stats as well, but do listen to the commentary. It's a once in a year event, and we as traders should know how to actually interpret what our finance minister is saying for regarding the budget of our country. And India is currently standing very strong in the global economy, and this budget will is budgets are usually really important events. So yeah, I hope I'm able to explain the importance of trading the budget and how to actually trade it. So I will see you all in the next week's analysis. Maybe if I'll make the video, I'll let you know on the Telegram. Also, do subscribe, like, and follow my Telegram channels, because today what I've done is I've given a lot of information on Telegram. If you guys have watched it, the screen sharing is paused. Let me just stop share and reshare my Telegram channel. Mhm. So this is my Telegram channel. I've updated all the key things that I wanted to actually update. So keep a watch on this, and you will know what I have in mind in intraday, and also in the in the during the market sessions, and also after the market. So do join it and read the posts. Thank you.